Hi everyone, we are Team VADwatch, and our proposal is an app to monitor VAD metrics in real time for trending to allow early interventions for device and heart failure-related complications. Ventricular assist devices, or VADs, are commonly used in patients with end-stage heart failure. The device assists patients in pumping blood when the heart is too weak to maintain the required circulation in the body. About 250,000 Americans live with end-stage heart failure. The sickest of these, including my own father, require VADs to take over the function of their damaged heart for the rest of their life or until they receive a heart transplant. Despite their life-saving function, VADs require a strict regimen of medication, dietary changes, and monitoring to prevent a series of dreaded complications, including pump thrombosis, stroke, and hemolysis. VAD controllers continuously output metrics that may help detect complications, but data is only recorded manually by clinicians or caregivers a few times a day. Instead of manual recording of data, we propose an automated recording system to allow more data points to monitor trends in real time. Collection of this biometric data, including pump speed, power, flow, and pulse index in real time, can allow earlier intervention for further complications with an LVAD device, such as device failure or relating to the underlying heart failure. Research literature has proven a correlation between remote LVAD and heart failure monitoring and reduction in adverse events and associated costs.
The controller inputs information from the VAD and exports these metrics wirelessly as a CSV file to an app, which maintains a continuous record of these data points. Using standard thresholds and trend analysis, the app alerts clinicians of possible VAD failure before it occurs, decreasing the chances of adverse events and improving patient outcomes in the long run. Here's a couple of snapshots of how our app would look. Its simple interface allows patients to view relevant information while at the same time receiving and sending any alarms that they receive to the doctor. Doctors can personalize certain parameters and thresholds for different patients within the app, and when there's critically unusual activity, they will receive an alert through the app. The serviceable VAD market is estimated to be around $750 million. We plan on partnering with existing VAD manufacturers to create value-added devices using a subscription-based plan. Manufacturers will purchase this redesigned device to improve patient outcomes, making the product more attractive to providers. With trend analysis, we aim to reduce costly ED visits for device complications. This makes our solution more attractive to the insurance companies that cover the cost of the procedure and device. The reduction of VAD patient readmission will target individuals who will experience pump thrombosis, which is the highest cost associated with VAD care after implantation. A study done at the University of Pennsylvania determined that the medical cost for this readmission is approximately $230,000. Further studies explain how early diagnosis is critical in successful intervention for this risk factor. By preventing these risk factors, we can minimize patient complications and decrease costs for insurance companies. The VADwatch can improve patient monitoring and better clinical outcomes. With that, thank you to all the mentors, organizers of the hackathon, and our home institutions.